Bubby? Hey, Bubby. Where's Parker's ear? That's right. Bubby. Hey, Parker. Parker, where's your eyes? That's right. How about Parker's nose? That's right.
Yeah.
Hey, Parky. Hey, Bubby. Come here. Where's Parker's mouth? Where's Parker's mouth? Good boy. How about Parker's hair? Where's Parker's hair? Good boy. How about, hey, Bubby, come here. How about Parker's toes? No, it's Parker's toes. Where are your toes at? Bubby.
This is belly button.
Hey, Bubby. Where's your belly button? That's right. Don't gag yourself. Where's Parker's toes? That's right. Where's Parker's hands? That's right.